Felt like you should know I've been going solo.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monique Macrin and I am going to be making Hawaiian sausages, and I really hope that you're going to click this video right during lunch hour cause nataka kuwatesa kidogo. Yep, neka mafuta kidogo hapo, you'll see why. And then I add a little bit of salt, then turn those smokies so that they can be golden brown. Yep, I know I said Hawaiian sausages, but I love the taste of smokies. So hakuna kitu munaweza fanya ni kuwatch too, and I'm really hoping that you're going to enjoy this particular video. Yes, I'm using the kitchen towel because I need it to soak the extra oils from the smokies. We are trying to be a little healthy. I know this is not a typical healthy meal, but you get it. You know how we do it when you have children sometimes. Okay, well, that's just an excuse. We have to live life, yeah, be healthy, but still enjoy from time to time. I am saying this because smokies are not a good source of protein. So do not take smokies thinking that you're taking proteins. Too much starch. But anyway, ni tamu. Kwa hivyo tunapika Hawaiian sausages. When I say sausages, I want you to hear smokies. Hapa tunatengeneza spaghetti vizuri kwa sababu lazima tukule kwa macho kwanza kabla tukule kwa mdomo, alafu najaribu ile kitu ya chef ya kutingiza smokies hivi. Alright, let's get to the next step. We are putting the smokies there. As I said, we need to soak in the excess oils. And then on the other hand, the water is boiling. Nimeka a little bit of oil because that's what my mom taught me. I don't know why we put the oil in the water that we are going to use to cook the spaghetti. Kisha, I'm going to break the spaghettis into halves because again, my mom taught me to do that. I don't know why. Kisha hapo tunachukua hiyo kitu ya kukatakatia, then I need to cut the smokies into really small pieces, and it looks good on camera, doesn't it? I know. Hapo hivyo kando you can see the vegetables. We are having the colored vegetables. There's the red, green, and yellow capsicum. They are really sweet and healthy. By the way, anytime you see the really colorful vegetables, just know that they are very rich in antioxidants, and that is really important in healing any inflammation in your gut. Then tugeuze kidogo hapo. You see my little baby there, she wants some sausages, but I am going to act like I didn't see that because I am an African mom. She has to learn patience. She has to wait for me to finish cooking. Anyways, now another important tip, this one I learned from my dad, is to clean as you go because you don't want the working surface to be full of utensils. You get it? Now we are going to turn a little bit the spaghetti because we want to check if it's really cooked. And then of course I usually blend my tomatoes, especially when I don't want to have the tomato peels looking at me like, you, Monique, what are you doing? Why are you eating me? I'm a kind-hearted girl. I don't eat living organisms. I blend them so that I can't see them, working on our guilt conscience by masking the problem. Okay, so now we mix. It looks really nice and yummy. Don't you all agree? Then we mix the spaghetti as well. Looks delicious. Does it taste delicious? Let's see. Well, not so much. Bado imengoja kidogo. So we go back to the stew and add some tomato paste. Again, not healthy, but today we are focused on living, right? We add some curry powder. Honestly, I don't know why I add curry powder, but if you have watched my previous videos, you know that this is how I connect with my paternal grandma. She used to love curry powders. Then I remember my baby, she's crying because she really needs the smokies. And the African mom in me meets the modern mom who really sometimes believes in, being easy. So I give her the smoky and she wants another one. Look at this woman. But she's so pretty, isn't she? By the way, she gives me so much peace. That's why we are dancing as we wait for the food to cook. Or, yeah, what is she doing with this? Anyway, good people, I'm feeling so mad right now. So, I'm supposed to make Hawaiian sausages, and pineapples are a very important part of this recipe. A full pineapple people in this house have eaten. This is what is remaining. Sasa, me, I don't know. I'll still go ahead. Oh, such a bummer. Such a bummer. But anyway. So, this is why my recipe will not look like it's supposed to look. How do we do? There's nothing I can do. Like pineapples are very, very, very important in this particular recipe. And then, the parts that are remaining are actually the hard parts. Talk of frustrations. Jesus, calm down. I don't like to be angry at night. But I'm really being tried here.
I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own.
Sasa hatuwezi shinda na makasiriko yaliondole sipite. So this is what we have and this is what is going to work. Okay.
See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go.
Wait. It smells so heavenly. Then we add our vegetables at this particular point. They look so beautiful. Oh my God. Let me tell you. I love to cook my sauces for like even 10 minutes so that they can cook and for the flavors to marry each other and give birth to nice smelling aromas. Make sense? I don't know. So we're going to stir our vegetables and give it time to cook and, take in those flavors. And then we add our pineapples. They're supposed to be more than that, but you guys, you know the story. People ate my pineapple and it's at night. I basically couldn't go back to the shop, or I wouldn't actually send someone that late. Now we add the smokies. Kidogo too. I add the smokies together with the pineapples, and then after that we just mix nicely and slowly we infuse the aromas, as the chefs would say. Kutoka sasa, we've already drained the water from the spaghetti, as you can see, and that is the same water that I'm going to use to make my stew wet. Right. Kidogo too, you just add it just a little bit and then you mix as you enjoy that nice flavor. Like right now, it's not just the spices. You also feel the flavor from the pineapples. Hi! Come, guys. Closer. Yeah. Look at that. How does it look? Delicious, right? Optic nutrition. And then, of course, if you're in the kitchen, you have to taste. How is the salt and the flavors? Nice. I like it. So with the kids, it's monkey see, monkey do. My daughter also wanted to taste, so I let her. For me, I love my ancestors. I'm not about to frustrate them, so I added more water. Yes, like the true daughter from the mountain that I am. We add more gadhufu. Anyway, jokes aside, it's really important because at this point, you also need to add your spaghetti. And if it's too dry, then you just won't like whatever is going to be there. Now, I want you to know that we have two ways of making the Hawaiian sausages. You can mix it like the way I have done. You mix the stew together with the spaghetti. Wait a minute. Aki, you guys... it smells so nice. Like right now, even when I'm doing the voiceover, I can literally relive that moment. Anyway, so the second other way that you can serve your Hawaiian sausages is that you can have your spaghetti kando and then you serve them, and then on top of the spaghetti you add the stew, right? So it can either look like this or like that other way. But guys, he really slap nayo. Not even joking, not even lying.